Yo, what is going on, guys? Jeff back here, bringing you another quick little vlog. Now this one's going to be a little bit different because I'm using my phone for the first time. I've never actually used my phone to make any videos before, so this is kind of a little test video for me too. You can see we got Zailas in the back, looking pretty as always, looking super clean. Today is kind of a milestone, not really like a milestone, but this is an important moment for the car because it is time to smog the Z. Now this is the first time that I will smog the Z since I've had it. It has previously passed smog every time, no problems whatsoever. And this is important right now because after I pass today, hopefully I pass, it will really open up the door for me to start doing a lot more extensive performance mods. Now, of course, if you guys have been following the build, you know that it does already have a few things. It's got the Stillen Gen 3 intakes. It has a Tomei muffler, Tomei Y pipe, and all that. And so now, if we pass today, it's really going to open the door for me to start doing more performance stuff to the Z, and I'm very, very excited. That's why this is kind of a big deal. After today, if he passes, if Zailas passes, we can start doing more performance stuff. So I'm super hyped about that. I'm ready to get a little more power to these wheels on this Z. He's got the looks for sure, and he's already fairly quick as it is, but he definitely has room for more. So let's go see if we can't pass smog with this thing, and hopefully I don't have to take my splitter and my bumper off and all that. Some of these smog stations, they're pretty bad with lowered cars. Some of them won't even take cars that are low. Thankfully I am on bags, so I'll be able to air it up as much as possible, but I have heard stories of smog places turning down cars even when they're aired up. So wish me luck on that. I'm about to head out to the smog station right now, and hopefully I will pass, and if I do, it's a cause for celebration because I'm going to start doing some major performance stuff. So let's get it. Alright, we can just start up kind of cold here. You guys can get a feel for what it sounds like. Cold start inside the car. You know, say what you will with all the memes and everything with the Tomei exhaust. Still my favorite exhaust for the Z. So we on our way. Sorry about the angle of the camera, guys. I don't have my my little camera mount thingy. It's a little bit of a weird angle, but it gets the job done. Y'all can see me, right? So the smog place is super close to my house, which makes it convenient. Don't have to drive a long ways. Now, from what I understand, when you're going to smog your vehicle, you want it to be really warm. You don't want to try and smog it while it's still cold. I guess it's easier to smog when it's warm, or it passes easier, I guess. I guess we'll find out. I let it warm up for about 10 minutes at the house off camera. VQs run pretty hot anyways, so I think we're going to be just fine. Should be good. I don't see any reason why the Z shouldn't pass smog. Now, there's a reason why I haven't done a whole lot of performance stuff, and this is exactly why. A new smog, especially here in California, smog is such a pain in the ass that I did not want to have to go back and do a bunch of work, undo a whole bunch of stuff, just to have to go and get my car smogged. So I wanted to wait until the next smog came around so I could get a nice fresh start on the smog and then have a good solid 2 years. Here in California, it's 2 years between smog, before you got to check your smog. So I wanted a nice solid 2 years of time that I could modify the car, do a little more power stuff, and not have to worry about smog. So that's the big reason why I haven't been doing a whole lot of modifications to the engine. So I've already arrived. Like I said, it's not far from my place at all. So let's go in and talk to these guys and see what this is going to, see if there's going to be any weight and how much it's going to cost. Alright, so we out here at the smog shop right now. This is actually not the first shop that I went to. The first one that I went to said the car was way too low, as I suspected they might. Even on bags, they said there was no way they were going to be able to get it up on the ramps. And yeah, those ramps were pretty menacing. They were like an angle like this, so I knew even if we tried to back it in, there was no way it was going to clear. So this shop right here looks a little more forgiving. I'm not seeing any crazy ramps like that. So my dude out here is hella sick at this smog shop right here. He is pulling the car in right now. He said no problem whatsoever. I will take care of it for you. So he's enjoying it quite a bit. This is the first time he's been in a car like this, so yeah, he's quite enjoying it. I'm enjoying it too. It's not often I get to see my car rolling from the outside. Looking super dope. Alright, so we are getting ready to get this thing smogged, and unfortunately I dropped the ball on one thing. I totally forgot that my carb sticker for my intakes was on my stock hood. I forgot to take that, or at least record the number and put it in the door well. But man, homeboy over here is super sick. He's helping me out. I'm gonna let it slide for today. Keep that on the DL, but he's gonna get me all smogged up here, and cross your fingers for me, guys. Hopefully it passes. If it does, this opens the door for a lot of big things for this car. So let's get it. Guess what, boys? We passed. Out here, we just passed with the Z, passed smog, no problem. Bro, what's your name?
My name's Dom.
His name is Dom. This boy hooked me up big time. Definitely recommend this place right here. If you're in the Citrus Heights area, definitely hit him up. This boy is sick. He's the best tech that I've worked with since I've had this car.
Too.
Lower car friendly, so you can't beat that. Definitely give a huge shout out to these guys. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it. I will see you again for sure for all my smog needs. All right, man. We'll see you later. Peace. All right, y'all. So we are good to go for smog. We passed, no problem. It only took 5 minutes to get the car all set up and passed. So I am super stoked. Like I said, this opens the door for a lot more for this car. And again, huge special thanks to Dom over here. If you guys are in the Citrus Heights area, this is definitely the spot. They're low car friendly, and they will take care of you. They'll take really good care of you. Homeboy definitely hooked it up this time, so I'm very thankful for that. It's good to have those connections for sure, especially when you got a car like this. You need those connections. So very special thanks to Dom over here. I'm very happy right now. Having the smog out of the way for another 2 years is an awesome thing. I don't have to worry about it and get those new tags on the car, and we can have some fun with this car. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I know it was nice and short, but again, like I said a couple videos ago, I'm going to start trying to make the videos a little shorter and sweeter for you guys. So here's a nice little short one for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the phone vlogging. The quality is looking dope, man. I'm looking back at these videos that I'm taking. The quality is looking on point, and the focus aspect is what I'm really enjoying. I don't have to worry quite so much about whether or not I'm focused. I have a Galaxy S8 Plus here, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. And the face tracking on this thing, you can see as I move it around, it's tracking my face, you know, as I move my face around like this. That's pretty sick. So anyways, let me know if you guys like this, and that'd be really good. If you guys like this and I like it, then I'm just gonna start pumping out more vlogs with the phone. That'll make it so much easier for me to not have to lug around my DSLR all the time, and we'll start getting out some more content for you guys. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and God bless.